Have you ever felt like a wilted rosebush struggling to survive? Picture this. In a quaint sunlit village, an elderly woman named Sarah lived. She was renowned for her kindness and the beautiful garden she meticulously tended to. Day in, day out, she'd be out there planting, weeding, nurturing. One chilly autumn morning, Sarah's gaze fell upon a lone, wilted rosebush at the edge of her garden. Its petals drooped in despair, its branches withered. She couldn't bear to witness such a sight. Kneeling down, she pruned the lifeless branches with a gentle hand, then watered the rosebush with love and hope. Weeks passed, and under Sarah's tender care, the rosebush started to revive. New leaves sprouted, tiny buds emerged. As the rosebush transformed, so did Sarah's heart, filling with joy at the sight of the new life she'd helped nurture. One evening, as the sun was bidding the day farewell, a young man named Michael appeared at Sarah's garden gate. He was a traveler passing through. Sarah welcomed him, and they struck up a conversation amidst the flowers. Michael shared his story. He was lost, disheartened, seeking direction. Sarah, with her wisdom and the lessons she'd learned from the rosebush, told him that life sometimes feels like a wilted rosebush, but with patience and care, it can be nurtured back to beauty. Their conversation led to a meal, a warm bed for the night, and for Michael, a renewed sense of hope. His stay in the village extended from days to weeks. He found solace in Sarah's garden, helping her tend to the flowers, and in return, finding a sense of purpose. Their bond grew stronger with time, evolving into a familial connection. The rosebush, once wilted and forlorn, now flourished with vibrant red roses. It stood as a symbol of transformation and the beautiful connection that had blossomed between Sarah and Michael. In the end, in a small sunlit village, a wilted rosebush and a lost traveler found love, hope, and a forever home in the warmth of Sarah's garden. The transformation in Sarah's garden was not just about the blossoming rosebush, but also about the blossoming of hope, love, and companionship. It's a testament to the power of nurturing, patience, and kindness.